Today, we're sewing this adorable scrunchy dog bandana. For this project, you'll need 1/2 yard of cotton fabric, 1.5 inch wide elastic, and matching thread. The printable pattern is linked in the description below. Place your pattern pieces on folded fabric, lining them up with the designated fold line. Do not cut along the folded edge. This is important for getting the correct shape. Cut out 2 of the main bandana pieces and 1 of the scrunchy band piece. Take both main bandana pieces and fold in the side edges 1/8 inch. This small fold creates a clean finish for inserting the elastic later. Press to hold everything flat. Place the 2 bandana pieces right sides together and clip or pin in place. Sew along the top and side seams, but do not sew the folded side edges. Leave those openings for turning and for inserting the scrunchy band. Now let's make the scrunchy band. Fold the band piece in half lengthwise, right sides together. Pin or clip to hold in place. Sew along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance to create a tube. Turn the tube right side out using a safety pin or turning tool. Next, turn the bandana right side out through the side openings. Attach a safety pin or loop turner to one end of the elastic and thread it through the scrunchy tube. Once threaded, pin or clip in place. Using a zigzag stitch, sew both ends to secure in place. Be sure to backstitch at the start and end. This keeps the stretch while reinforcing the seam. Make sure the raw edges of the bandana openings are still folded inward. Insert about 1/2 inch of the scrunchy band into one side of the bandana opening, ensuring the seam of the scrunchy band and all raw edges are hidden inside. Pin or clip in place. Repeat on the other side to fully attach the band to the main bandana. Top stitch along both edges to secure, backstitching at the beginning and end. And that's it. Your scrunchy dog bandana is finished.